My name is SHENZHEN QUANLICHENG. I am managing director of this company, which is SHENZHEN QUANLICHENG Precision Mechanical Electrical Ltd. We are focusing on laser industry. Like why we are here? Bangladesh is a friendly country and have a lot of opportunity in here. So we are here for helping Bangladesh people to increase their production efficiency about the industry. Like this kind of machine, when you use it on marking on your product, it's energy saving, like which means can lower your cost. And the marking is permanent, which means cannot be fake. And the most amazing thing is it's friendly, because you see there is no oil printing inside whole laser market, so we don't need there is no pollution for whole Bangladesh, which means I think that's the most important things for you guys. About this exhibition, I think I'm very satisfied because there are a lot of friendly Bangladesh people here. I made a lot of friends, customers here. So I am very happy to join this exhibition. I hope Bangladesh people and Chinese people can have a bright future in future. We can build a great relationship, do business together. That's all. That's all the things I want to say. Thanks.